Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix preparing shaders not loading on Hogwarts Legacy. Easy fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Hogwarts Legacy shader removed Nexus mods, right? And probably it will be the first link here. Then what you need to do here is to create an account on Nexus mods here in order to download a shader compilation removed file. And then press manual here, and then press slow download. Wait for a couple of seconds until the file starts to download. And then you should, basically your file should be downloaded to your PC. Next up, what you need to do here is to right click and extract all and extract file. And you should get this file here. Drag it to your desktop. Then you need to go on search and write run. Then write here %local app data %, and then look for Hogwarts Legacy file folder, right? Click on it, go to saved. If you want to, you can back up this file here. You can copy and paste it to your desktop in order, if you have some files saves, maybe it can be corrupted, but it never happened before for me, but for some safety, you can back up your files. Then you need to go to saved, config Windows no editor, and drag and drop engine file here, right? Next thing what we need to do here is to find a game user data file here. So it should be somewhere here, game user settings, right click on it, open with the notepad, and then you just need to go to the end of the file here and put this code here. I will leave this code in the video description below so you can easily copy and paste it. Then what you need to do here is to go to file and save, right? Next thing what you need to do here, you can close this, right click on game user settings, then go to show more options, properties, make sure to read only. Do read only, tick this thing here, apply OK, run the game, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.